Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Hera Sheikh and I'm from University of Sindh, enrolled in Interns Pakistan batch 18. Here is my website related to tourism. It's a company based website. So let's start the explanation of this website. Here are three links: Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. If I click on Facebook, it will redirect me to the Facebook page, and same goes for the other links. Here are six main menus, which is home, destination, tours, gallery, blog, and contact. Here are the slider. There's a section of destination. All the famous destinations are shown on the home page. Otherwise, all the destinations are in the destination tab. Here is the tours. Most popular tours are shown on the home page, which you can see this: Grand Switzerland, Five Flag of Fiji, and many more. And other tours are also in the tours tab. Here are our services section, which is handpicked hotels, amazing tour, best travel agent, and further. And here are some written about these services. Here is our gallery. You can see this most. All right, let's move further. Here's our meet our team section. Here's more tourist reviews, and here are our blog section. Three blogs are here. All right, and further on the blog section. Okay, this is our footer, divided into two sections: about and contact info, email, phone number, and the location. Let's move on the next page, which is destination. All right, so here are the breadcrumbs, or here are the destination: Pakistan, Paris, London. If I click on Pakistan, it will redirect me to the page Pakistan. All right, so here are something related to Pakistan and all. Let's move on the next page, which is tours. Here are the page of tour. As you can see there is a using cards, and use a tag. If something is on sale, then I have used a sale tag. All right, there are the stars, pricing, and all right. If I click on the Ratigali leg, you can see that. All right. So here are something related to Ratik lag. If I click on the email, you can see that pricing, customer reviews, add to card option, description, reviews. Let's suppose if I click on reviews to check the review of the client. So if there is no review and I want to send my review, so I can write this like nice, my name, Hira Sheikh, and email address, and then submit. So all right, sorry. All right. Shows me the alert if I'm not selecting any of the required field. So here we go. All right, you can see this. One review here, Sheikh. Like I have just submitted my review, November 25 and 2020. All right, here is the add to card option. If I click on this option, you can see here it is. It's added in view card. All right, if I click on view card, so here, here. Product price, quantity, subtotal. If you have any coupon, you can apply your here. Proceed to checkout. Waiting for its here all the billing details you can write, and then place to or place order. Let's move another of menu, which is gallery. So here's a gallery. You can see that all the pictures like climbing, camping, mountain climbing, and further. Then blogs. All the blogs are here. That suppose all solo hiking tips for women, and further. You can see. All right, and the contact. Here it is. Contact page, animation on heading, side image, required field, and then submit button. Here it is footer. All right, it's all about the front end. Let's move to back end. If admin panel. All right, so I have used here my pages. All the pages are here. Pages. All right, if I'm going to customize something, let's do customization. Social icon, and it's Facebook. So let me change it to. So it's all about my website. Thanks.